Hi viewers, today I am going to tell you that how to get boat insurance in USA. First of all, open your browser like Google and search it. Now scroll down and we will read these questions to get overview. First of all, there is how to get marine insurance. If you are looking to buy a marine insurance policy, here are the steps that you need to take. First step is choose the marine insurance cover. Second, select your broker or insurance company. Third is fill out the marine declaration form. Fourth one is assess the risk. Fifth is pay the premium. Sixth step is receive the cover note, and last one is receive marine policy. Next, how much is boat insurance in Texas? With so many factors playing a role in individual insurance coverage costs, it is hard to estimate a policy cost without more information. However, on average, personal boat insurance runs $500 to $1,000 a year, with the average boat insurance policy in Texas costing around $348 per year. Third one is how much is boat insurance in Florida? How much does boat insurance cost in Florida? Florida boat insurance costs around $652 per year on average, whereas medium cost states have an annual policy cost of $344 on average. Low cost states have an annual premium average of $263. Last one is boat insurance required in New York? New York law doesn't require you to have boat insurance, but whether you own a boat or personal watercraft, a boat insurance policy can help protect it. Now scroll all the way up and open the first website you get. So there is a problem in this website. We will open the next website. So this website called GEICO. This is about boat insurance, and we will read some of these content about this website. First of all, get a boat insurance policy to protect your investment. Boat insurance helps you protect your boat or personal watercraft investment. So if you travel across lakes, rivers or ocean waters of the United States, we can help keep your peace of mind afloat. Whether you are looking for a new boat insurance policy or just to save money, we can help you get started with a free boat insurance quote. Make boating better together. Experience and a name you can trust go a long way when you are shopping for boat insurance. That's why the GEICO Marine Insurance Company has teamed with Boat USA, the nation's largest group of recreational boat owners. Since 1966, Boat US has been helping to make boating safer, more affordable and fun. Together we share a passion for all things boating.